everybody, and welcome to our week of November 15th to November 19th, right before break. I'm going to start doing weekly based videos because our Avid days are pretty short. Okay, so Tuesday we had destination graduation. We met in the library and we started looking at where we can go in terms of graduation, what the future can hold for us in careers in different fields, just STEM, medicine, robotics, some coding. So we looked at that in the library. Reminder, you have 2 focus notes that are due this Friday. Then on Wednesday, we had academic genius minutes and our binder check chats. So you guys fill that out, and then your 2 focus notes. And then your due now was your grade check. We started looking at grades. And then we did Road Trip Nation 04. You guys should be pretty familiar with Road Trip Nation at this point. But if you were not, you were like, what is Road Trip 4? Road Trip 4 was the interview project. You had a little bit of reflection. If you click this, you'll have the reflection. You took notes based on the video, and here's the link to actually access the video, okay? So that is just what is there. But that was really this week. As always, if you guys have questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.